In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Mailchimp. This is a simple tweak that can make a big difference in how your emails look and feel. A well-chosen background color can make your content easier to read, help your branding stand out, and give your campaign a more polished, professional appearance. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside the Mailchimp editor and share a few tips along the way so you feel confident customizing your design. First, open the campaign or template you want to edit in the Mailchimp editor. You can do this from your campaign's dashboard by either creating a new email or selecting an existing one and choosing to edit it. Once it loads, you should see the familiar editing screen where you can modify your layout, text, and images. Next, look for the section in the editor that controls your overall design. Depending on your version of Mailchimp, this will be labeled either Styles or Design. It's usually located on the right-hand side of the screen or in a design panel that you can open from the top menu. Go ahead and click on that tab to reveal all the design options for your email. Within the Styles or Design tab, you'll see different categories for what you can customize, such as headings, body text, and buttons. Here, you want to focus on the settings that control the overall page. This might be called Page or Email, and it affects the full background behind your content blocks. Click on Page or Email to open those options. Now you'll see the background color setting. This is where you choose the color that sits behind your entire email. Click on the color swatch or color picker, and you'll be able to select a color from the palette, drag around the color picker, or type in a specific hex code. Using hex codes is especially helpful if you have brand colors you want to match exactly. For example, you can paste in the hex value from your brand style guide to keep your emails consistent with your website and other materials. Once you've picked your background color, preview your email to make sure your text and buttons are still easy to read against it. Avoid colors that make your content hard to see and aim for strong contrast. When you're happy with how everything looks, simply save your changes and your new background color is ready to go.